Hi, I'm Joyce with Pupcakes, etc. And today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade dog food using chicken and fat. We're going to start with 3 cups of ground chicken, including the fat, 2 eggs, a cup and a half of oatmeal, quarter of a cup of zucchini grated, quarter of a cup of carrots grated, and a quarter of a cup of broccoli grated. Vegetables are actually very healthy for dogs. We also have a quarter of a cup of sweet potatoes grated, a half a cup of ricotta cheese, and a quarter of a cup of ketchup. What this is actually going to make is really a chicken meatloaf for dogs. Mix that all up really good. Before you start anything with the diet of your dog, you should always check with your vet first. And don't just start it automatically. Do it gradually to make sure that you don't give them any kind of a gastronomical problem. There. Once you have it all mixed up, put it into a 9 by 13 baking dish. I usually like to spray mine with a little bit of cooking spray first to make sure that it doesn't stick. Just a little. And spread that all around, nice and even. And that will get baked at 350 for 35 minutes.